You want to make money online with real estate? In this video, I'll be showing you ways to invest in real estate with little to no money. Hey, what's good YouTube? It's your boy here, Dial Influencer, and today we're back at it with another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to invest in real estate with little to no money. I don't want to bore you with a long speech of who I am and what I do, so without wasting any time, let's get into this video. The first way to invest in real estate is investing in real estate crowd funds. You might be asking yourself, what is a real estate crowd fund? Real estate crowd fund is when multiple people raise funds to buy a particular property. You can invest any amount when it comes to real estate crowdfunding, but then this is how it works. When your initial investment is, for example, 10%, you will receive 10% when the property is rented out. And basically the same applies when the property is sold. One of the platforms which you can start your real estate crowdfund investing is called Easy Properties. Most of y'all might know Easy Equities. Basically, Easy Properties is part of Easy Equities. But like any other investment, I would recommend that you do more research on real estate crowdfunding. Before we get into the second way to make money with the real estate, make sure you've subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you're the first to be notified. The second way is to do real estate syndication. This one requires you to have a little more money than the previous one, but basically how it works is that you team up with a partner and y'all buy a property together. The reason why you're doing it with a partner or partners is simply because you might not have enough capital, or you might not have other real estate resources, and basically you partnering up with them will basically help you overcome these two problems. But as I said guys, make sure you go do thorough research before taking any action. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new here, make sure you've subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you're the first to be notified. It's your boy here, Dial Influencer, signing out. Peace.